haven't seen these yet. I've only just got them this morning and whacked them straight on here for you. Right, I've just had to unjam this from the box. You could probably see from this thing here, it is. I got it rather quick. I didn't really want them, but I got them anyway. Triple linen. I take it that's something to do with hanging your washing out. There's the thing in the middle. This thing here, what you get inside of them. And yeah, let's get them out. Right, I do believe these are a shiny one. This bit shines up, or does it? Oh, no, I haven't got the thing on. Let's put the flash on and see if it affects it. It doesn't affect it. How do you get these flipping things off? Oh, I see. Hang on, just wait a minute, we still on? No, I can't get that to, Oh yeah, there you go. Is that doing it a bit? Right, right. Right, hang on. I'm trying to get this flipping thing off here. What I normally do is, because it's got like a little Barbie thing on there, not Barbie the doll, kind of get something in there, flatten both sides. You see what I'm doing? You can't see what I'm doing. That thing in there like that. Make sure you're on the right side of it, and then sort of push the barbs down, and hopefully it should just pull out. It doesn't pull out, does it? You know, I've had to pull out a few times myself, but you know, that's rude, isn't it? Yeah, no, it ain't gonna come. I'm gonna have to bracket in a minute because I ain't got time. The camera's gonna start saying meltdown, meltdown. It just doesn't let you record anymore, does it, if it gets too hot? No, it ain't coming off. That is what you do anyway. You look for the barbs that are sticking out and stopping it from coming down, and then sort of squash them in, or just get the fork in there and just sort of prise it out. That's what I do anyway. Nice fork there. See how clean it is? That's beautiful. Put that there. Can you see it on screen? No, you can't see it on screen. Right, so that is the label for the garment. Just there. If you want to inspect it. It hasn't got none of that stupid stuff in it that the American chaps have. Hey, it looks nice down here. Can you see what I'm seeing there? It's sort of, oh there. Definitely, when the sun hits it, it's mad. Huh? I'll move it around a little, like that, and then tell me when it hits it. It's my eyes, you see, probably about the same sort of angle as the sun's sort of coming from this angle. So if I try every single angle going, I think that might be decent. I can't get it to shine up. That is strange. Oh, I don't know. I'm sure you'll have a go with them anyway. There they are, aren't they lovely? They look much better in real life. Yeah, they're going round and round without me even round and round, and then is it on? It is on. Yeah, aren't they awesome? I like them a lot, and they go very well with the mat. Look, there you go. Excellent. What socks have I got on? I've also got navy socks on. Oh, and I've got Adidas on. Got like a bluey coloured stripe here. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that, can't you? Yeah, so let's get on with this thing. It's like pinky, very slight, could say flesh colour, but that's kind of racist to call it flesh coloured, because flesh is all different colours, varies from what they call white people. I mean, I'm what they would call a white person. I wouldn't say I was white. I'd say this box is white, look. Oh, that's white, that's nice skin colour. I'd say we're sort of pinky coloured, but it takes longer to say pinky coloured, doesn't it? Oh, they are there, look. Take it round and round. I'm not going to spend too long going round and round. The inside's just like that. You've all seen these bleeding things anyway, ain't you? Oh, they haven't got a thing on the back. That's the first time I've had one without any things on. Oh, that's a shame. Right, so yeah, that kind of blends into this colour here. A bit more permanent here. Permanent? That's not you've got a nice blue inside here, and all around this area just here. And there you have got the supposed to glow up. Aren't they 3M? Oh dear, they're not 3M. Are they? They're not, are they? Don't look like the 3M. They're like translucent. They're not doing them 3M anymore. Look, they're just translucent, just like see-through, but they're certainly not 3M, are they? Yeah, so in there you've got the size label in there. Take your paper out, you get that free in there. That's nice of them, isn't it? And then in there you also get a free one of these, which says that on it, if you can see it, if you're not blind like myself. Put it over here. I can't see the camera. I cannot see the camera lens. In there you've got some holes and stuff and some bouncy boost. What's this bit here? This sort of shape. Oh, that looks like it could be. Oh, is it glow? It's glow. I thought that was a new feature that they'd put in there. Yeah, so that's the back of the thing there. Let's just bloody get them on the feet. I'm getting bored of this. And there's the fronts. Yeah, nice colour. They're like a sesame yellow, Sesame Street. You know, like Big Bird. That's Sesame Street. I love Sesame Street. I like, who do I like? Elmo the most. Hey, Elmo. Hey, Elmo. Ernie? Oh, yeah, bird. Ernie? Oh, yeah, bird. Ernie? Ernie? Oh, yeah, but I can't do them anymore. It's really Ernie, yeah, but. So that's how thick they are there. There's a nice length across here. Nice sort of wide breach. Is that called the breach or the depth? You haven't got any yellow things on here, this yellow part here, because it costs more obviously to put that yellow, and this has got all funny circles on it just there. Look, if you want to have a look with your eyes, it's got some lovely holes in there, so when you go out in them first in the muck, you come back and there's shit all over them. Did I just say the S word? Sorry about that, children. Please do not repeat what I say in this video. It's normally utter filth and muck. Let's get them on the feet. Big on end. Yeah, these come up massive, look. Look at the bend on the end of the toe, look. These are huge. Maybe I could have done with a half size in these. I wonder if you can see the threm in a way if I kind of go in the dark. The bottoms go really well with the top. Normally they don't blend in very well, but yeah, these are mad. Whoa. Yeah, really big on the end. So you can see them bending. I mean, you need a bit of room on the end, but these are very sort of, there's a lot of room here on this section here, more so. Yeah, do you like them or what? Hopefully you can get a bit of the threm action. Let me try and get a bit in the dark. Is that in the dark there? If I do that, it might come up. Let's do a bit in the dark down here. And then it should hit the... Let's put it back in the light again, yeah? See you later, everyone. Can you see me thumb? Oh, there it is. Shit, it's ran out of tape. Oh, it's on again. It's on again. See you later, people. The cop idiot's on here today. Not yet. No doubt they'll turn up. If they do, I might just thump him in his mouth. Oosh, oosh. That's what he needs anyway. Thing is, my family work in the NHS, is very high up in the NHS, so working with surgeons and things, so he's the surgeon's basically best friend, and yeah, if they get it, I should tell them to put them in the 50-50 pile. Apparently, someone heard the other day that if there's 10 people that are dying of it, if they'll pick the 5 oldest ones and they won't give them the oxygen in Spain. It's terrible, isn't it? So be careful, stay indoors, don't go out like the COVID idiots next door. I'll see you later, everyone. Peace, and thanks for looking at these bloody stupid things.